Caracoles y bienvenidos a Spring Spanish. Yo soy Cody and I am one of the Spanish teachers here at Spring Spanish. En este video te voy a hablar del verbo ir. Did you notice I already used this verb? Voy a is one of the most common ways to use the verb ir, to go, in Spanish, and today vamos a aprender some phrases in Spanish using this verb. But beware, in Spring Spanish, we don't teach verbs through conjugation tables or grammar drills. We have our own way of making them roll off your tongue called chunking. You'll see what I mean soon. So, comencemos! The importance of the verb ir, to go. Oh, espera un segundo. Have you clicked on the subscribe button and the bell? We publish 5 weekly Spanish lessons on our YouTube channel, and I'm sure you don't want to miss a lesson. Just like in English, the verb ir can be used with an incredible variety of meanings. Veamos algunos ejemplos. Voy al cine. I am going to the movies. Vas a ir a la escuela. You will go to school. Ella va al gimnasio todas las mañanas. She goes to the gym every morning. Vamos a la playa. We are going to the beach. Ellos van a trabajar. They are going to work. In a moment, I'll give you all the different use cases for the verb ir. But first, we need to talk about something that will make your life much easier. The meaning of phrases using ir aren't always obvious by knowing what each individual word means. Also, it's an irregular verb, so that makes it a bit more complicated. And this is why we recommend learning through chunking. For each conjugation, yo voy, tú vas, etc., you take an actual sentence and you imprint the conjugation on your brain as part of a chunk or word combination, so it rolls off the tongue in conversations. Doing this also avoids that you always think of the entire verb conjugation table every time you try speaking. So, here is an example of how to do this. Ella va al gimnasio todas las mañanas. She goes to the gym every morning. Instead of thinking of a full conjugation table while trying to fit the right verb in the sentence, you could memorize the verb in context already. In this case, va al gimnasio goes to the gym. For example, by creating a flashcard like this. Ella blank todas las mañanas. And at the back, ella va al gimnasio todas las mañanas. If you really memorize this chunk, or in other words, imprint it in your brain, you're learning not only the correct verb conjugation, and without having to think of an entire conjugation table while speaking, you are also learning the correct use of it in sentences. If you learn each of the conjugations through 1 or 2 chunks, you will remember these chunks whenever you need to conjugate the verb ir or any other verb for that matter. You can do the same with this sentence. Él blank, and at the back, él va a manejar. Learn this by heart as a chunk, and you'll always get it right. Now, let's have a look at when and how to use this verb correctly. Ir used to discuss where you normally go or what you do. This form of ir is used to talk about a place we regularly visit. So, if somebody would ask you, ¿qué haces durante el día? What do you do during the day? Your response should be in present tense. Yo voy al colegio. I go to school. Veamos más ejemplos. Ellos van al cine cada miércoles. They go to the movies every Wednesday. Todas las mañanas voy a correr. I go jogging every morning. Mi sobrino va a la universidad. My nephew goes to the university. Cada año vamos a la cena navideña familiar. Every day we go to the Christmas family dinner. Ir used to talk about the future. By far the most common expression using ir is ir a, to go to, which is a verb plus an infinitive, and in order to express what is going to happen, add the appropriate conjugated form of ir plus a, to, before the infinitive form of the verb. For now, we are going to focus on learning the most common expressions. So, for example, if I say voy a estudiar, it means I am going to study. Nuestros amigos van a venir. Our friends are going to come. Voy a tomar agua. I'm going to drink water. Vamos a ver una película. We are going to watch a movie. Voy a dormir. I'm going to sleep. Lizzie va a jugar con su perro. Lizzie is going to play with her dog. Ir used in other phrases. Now, let's have a look at some more examples. Vamos en avión a Madrid. We are going by plane to Madrid. Él va en coche. He goes by car. No quiero ir en autobús. I don't want to go by bus. Quiero ir a la fiesta. I want to go to the party. Este chico va para abogado. This guy looks like he's going to be a lawyer. Voy a salir. I'm going out. Vamos a trabajar. We are going to work. Te va a encantar. You are going to love it. Voy a mandar un mensaje de texto. I'm going to send a text message. Ellos van a cenar. They are going to eat dinner. Now you have seen lots of examples for the usage of ir. Pay attention in the following days when listening to Spanish to this word. If you hear it all the time and you hear the right way to conjugate it, it will stick very, very soon. And once it does, you will never have to think about conjugation again. So, here are all conjugations again for the verb ir. yo voy, tú vas, él o ella va, nosotros vamos y ustedes van. Muy bien. ¿Vamos a la playa? Oh. What is a common phrase using this verb that you know? Let me know in the comments. And like I said in the beginning, here at Spring Spanish, we teach Spanish entirely through this concept of chunks. If you'd like to learn more about it, check out the free, more in-depth Spanish training on our website, where we demonstrate in 4 steps how to have fluent Spanish sentences roll off the tongue through chunking. You also get some free sample Spanish lessons there that come straight from our academy. If you are interested, just click the link in the description to sign up. And that was all for today. I hope you had fun. I certainly did. Gracias totales. Don't forget to subscribe, drop a like, and share the video with your friends.